I was on mute. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Drunken Sailor's Storytime. We're doing some Grand Theft Cowboy, otherwise known as Red Dead Redemption, or like I like to call it, Yeehaw Skyrim. All right. We're going to jump into it. I'm starting off from the very beginning of the story. We're going to completion. Let's go. Rockstar Games presents. Red Dead Redemption 2. Oh Lord. There we go. Alright, back into it. Nothing happened. No pause. I don't know what you're talking about.
Abigail says he's dying, Dutch. We'll have to stop someplace.
Okay, Arthur's out looking. I sent him up ahead.
Yeah,
We don't
send
stop
him
soon,
on up
we'll all
ahead.
be dying. This weather, it's May. I'm just hoping the law got as lost as we did.
There. Arthur! Any luck?
I found a place where we can get some shelter. Let Davy rest while he... You know. An old mining town. Abandoned. It ain't far. Come on. Come on! Yeah!
Get some Yeehaw Skyrim! Yes, for those of you that don't know, I'm streaming in my pajamas today. Chapter 1. Coulter.
Bring him in here!
Yeah, bring him in here. Get some warmth.
Miss Gaskell, get that fire lit, quick. Miss Jones, bring in whatever blankets we have.
Get that
Mr. Pearson,
fire lit.
see what we've got in terms of food.
Davy's dead.
There was nothing more you could have done.
What are we gonna do? We need supplies.
Well, first of all, you're gonna stay here, and you are gonna get yourself warm. Now, I sent John and Micah scouting out ahead. Arthur and I, we're gonna ride out, see if we can find one of them. And this, just for a short bit. I want to see what other choice we have. Listen to me, all of you, for a moment. Now, we've had, well, a bad couple of days. I loved Davy, Jenny, Sean, Mac. They may be okay. We don't know. But we lost some folks. Now, if I could throw myself in the ground in their stead, I'd do it. Gladly. But we're gonna ride out and we're gonna find some food. Everybody, we're safe now. There ain't nobody following us through a storm like this one. And by the time they get here, well, we're gonna be long gone. We've been through worse than this before. Mr. Pearson, Miss Grimshaw, I need you to turn this place into a camp. We may be here for a few days. Now, all of you, get yourselves warm. Stay strong. Stay with me. We ain't done yet. Come on, Arthur.
All right. We've got some work.
Very
We ain't
compelling
run into them
speech.
yet, so they both must have headed down the hill.
Sure. Hey, I ain't had time to ask. What really went down back there on that boat?
We missed you. That's what happened. Come on. Oh,
Hey, you need horses?
That's not
Oh, yeah.
the whole of
hey,
it.
Mr. Smith, get yourself indoors. You need to rest that hand.
I'll live.
Get indoors, son. We need you strong.
Okay.
That's right. We need you strong.
All right, let's head out.
Ain't sure what we're gonna find out here, Dutch.
We have to try. Stay close. We'll do our best to stick to the trail.
This goddamn weather.
Been 2 days or more like this now. Oh, it has to blow over soon.
Yeah. I love the snow prints.
Careful over this bridge here. Hey!
Can't believe we lost Davy, too.
He's the last one.
Yep, we
Arthur.
lost Davy
No
too.
more. We need to get those people warm and fed.
At least we don't need to worry about Pinkertons tailing us in this.
A couple more days.
That's
we'll be
right.
on the other side. You need to help me pick the others back up. You're the only one I can rely on to stay strong right now.
We got fire
That's
and
right.
shelter. That's a start. So, do you think it was a trap in Blackwater?
That many men? Oh, they knew we were coming. But there was money on that boat, all right. Lots of it. I stashed what we took with all our money in town right before we fled. Wait, is that someone coming towards us?
It might very well be. It might very well be.
You up ahead. Who's there? Micah.
Gentlemen,
Found anything?
I think so. Found a little homestead down that way.
Okay. Anyone home?
Sure. Place is blazing with light and noise. Sounded like a party.
Let's go see.
Follow me. How's Davy doing?
He didn't make it. Nor did little Jenny.
That's too bad. Davy was a real fighter. Both of them calendar boys is, or was.
Yeah,
And Mac, Sean,
we don't know.
quite a business.
Yeah,
I'm glad
quite
you're
a
all
bit.
right, Micah.
Always!
Ask him if he's seen John.
Hey, have you seen John, Micah?
Didn't see much of anything once this storm came in.
He hasn't seen him.
He'll be fine. Things always turn out right for that boy.
I hope Mac and Sean are still out there somewhere, too. Move up, Arthur. I'll cover the rear.
Hey.
In front of you.
Okay, go.
You run into anybody else?
I reckon we're Morgan.
Yeah, well, don't talk to me about Creighton.
Oh, so no, glad you're all right. I was worried, Micah. Look,
Oh my
it's
lord.
all gonna work out, Morgan. We lost a few folks, but that's just how it goes sometimes.
Well, I'm glad you're feeling so good about it.
Where are all the others?
Old mining camp, back up the hill. Ain't much.
There we go.
Shelter. So, this house, you speak to the people there already?
No. Like Dutch told us, look, but don't talk to no one. Just following orders, you know me.
Right. How much further?
Not far.
What does that mean?
Not far.
Thanks.
Okay, Trevor.
Oh, goddamn, this snow gets right to the bone.
Yes, it does. I can't say anything else to Micah. Okay. I mean, he said not far, but it's looking pretty far.
Okay, let's keep it down now, gentlemen. It's just up ahead.
Snuff and stash those lanterns, boys. Best you two lie low on this.
Really?
Okay, let's head
Think
down
so?
there.
I'm not following you guys.
Let's hitch up here.
Hold Y to hit your horse.
Let me do the talking.
Ah.
We don't want to scare these folks.
We don't want to scare these folks.
Someone's having fun in there.
You two, get yourself out of sight. One lonely man is a lot less intimidating than three nasty-looking degenerates. Arthur, in that cattle shed on the left. Micah, get down behind that wagon in front.
Yeah, they got violins and everything up in there. Hi.
Hello? Shut up, Billy. Excuse me. Hello? Oh, well, hello, friend.
What you want?
I am very sorry to disturb you. My friends and I, well, we got into some trouble up the way, lost in the storm. Gentlemen,
We can't help you, mister.
I got folks
Why not?
on the trail.
We got a problem. Folks, there's a corpse right here.
Now, I just
Arthur.
need some
Oh shit.
cans of food
In the
or
wagon.
something.
I hear you. Just
Gentlemen,
keep your Dutch.
please.
I think you should go now, buddy.
I think you should go now, buddy. Oh, hi.
We got a runner! See him, Arthur!
God.
Didn't seem to be going too well.
Goddamn O'Driscoll boys
Micah, go bring the horses closer to the house. Arthur, let's go search the cabin.
Can I not loot the bodies? Apparently not.
Smells like a party in here.
Turn the place upside down. Grab as many supplies as you can. We need the essentials. Food,
Hey, salted
medicine,
meat.
whiskey.
Food, medicine, whiskey.
O'Driscoll's. I don't
Check out
believe
the
it.
photo
It's a
there.
strange one, all right. Maybe they're hiding up here, too. There's a big price on Colm O'Driscoll's head. Nearly as big as the
September
one
7th,
on yours.
1896.
Dead is about the only thing me and Uncle Sam agree on.
Looks like the poor bastard was married, too. At some point.
If we can't eat it or drink it, put it down.
Yeah. Ew.
Starving.
You should eat something now. Get your strength up for the ride back.
Search cabinet. Give me both those canned vegetal. Pour to the canned vegetal. Go ahead and close that back. Go to my items. Eat the can of vegetal. Oh, no, that was a can of sweet corn.
Place is dry and warm. We could maybe move the women and Jack down here.
Maybe. We'll see how they are when we get back.
Canned
I don't
vegetal.
really want us to split up. Keep searching while I pack these on the horses.
Yeah, you pack those on the horses.
Grab anything you
Blood.
think we can use, then meet me out here.
This a wash tub? Must be a wash tub. Search the medicine chest. Health cure. Open health cure. Open health cure. And open health cure. Alright. What else we got here? I ain't gonna worry about closing that. What's this here? Jewelry. Gold pendant necklace. That'll fetch a pretty price. Cigarettes. That might fetch a pretty price. Oh. Ooh. Definitely search the chest. For a coin purse. Containing $1.95. Alright. Let's go upstairs. See what we got up here. Give me them there revolver cartridges. Some classic oat cakes. Anything over here? Nothing in the barrel.
What's taking so long in there?
I'm searching.
Just give me a minute.
Oh, that's the dead guy. I thought this was the house where you found... That's a broken picture. I guess this ain't the house. Nothing up there. Pretty sure I already opened that cabinet. Yeah, I already opened that cabinet. Wow, well, let's get out of here, I guess.
Arthur, keep looking for stuff. Arthur, go see if there's anything in that barn. Micah, you search the cabin, see what we missed.
That barn.
Sure.
That barn right there. That there barn right that there. Open that there barn door. Yeah, boy.
Bastard shot.
Alright.
Well, he started it. I'm gonna break your neck.
Hey, started it.
What's going on?
Now, this guy just jumped me.
Punch.
Oh, did he now?
Punch. Punch.
Sneaky little bastard. Should I kill him?
No. Not yet. Find out what they're doing here and where Colm is.
Oh, this son of a bitch will talk. Where's Colm O'Driscoll?
With the others. At an old mining camp southwest of here. Near the lake.
Near the lake.
What are you bastards doing? Why are you up here?
We're fixing to rob some train. Gonna blow the tracks. I don't know more than that, I swear.
I don't believe you.
Well, I would say it looks like you have
But
this,
I
Arthur.
can't punch you
Do what you
anymore,
want
so
with
I guess
him.
that's gonna
I
have
don't
to
care.
do.
But bring that horse when you're done. Oh.
I don't know anything else. Please.
Loose end. Can't have it. That's not the button I wanted to hit. That's the button I wanted to hit. Like my hat. You done did. Screwed up my hat. I can't.
Easy. It's okay. Ah, good boy.
Come on. Let's go for a little walk.
Is that bastard still in there?
He's dealt with.
Good. That looks like a decent horse. You should keep him. You need to hitch him. He's already skittish.
Micah, what the hell do you think you are?
Oh, look what I found in the cellar. Wild thing, ain't ya?
Leave her alone.
I wasn't doing nothing. She's one of them O'Driscolls.
No, she ain't, Michael. Look at her. Miss. Are you...
Oh, you fool! Micah!
Miss. Now, it is gonna be okay. We mean you no harm. Miss. Come on. It'll be okay. We need to get out of here, and quick. Come on now.
Yeah. Thank you, Micah.
You
We
okay,
could have
miss?
used this place.
3 days ago.
Not now.
Miss, you are safe now. And you can't stay here. You come with us.
Thanks to Micah.
Miss, it's okay. We're bad men. We ain't them. It's okay. Get on. We'll keep you safe until you figure out what you want to do.
What's your name, miss? Miss
Adler.
Adler.
Sadie Adler.
Oh, that's right.
Mrs.
Sadie Adler.
He was my husband.
Thanks, Micah.
Hey! Somebody's coming!
Somebody's
Looks like
coming!
it's Dutch. Hey, everybody, Dutch is back. How'd you get on?
Micah found a homestead, but he weren't the first. Colm O'Driscoll and his scum, they beat us to it. We found some of them there, but there is more about, apparently. Scouting the train. Thank you.
That's the last thing we need right now, Dutch.
Well, it is what it is. But we found some supplies, some blankets, a little bit of food, and this poor soul, Mrs. Adler, Miss Tilly, Miss Karen, would you warm her up? Give her a drink or something?
And Mrs. Adler, it's gonna be okay. You're safe now. They turned her into a widow. Animals. I need some rest. I haven't slept in 3 days.
You're over here. Miss O'Shea will show you the way. Mr. Morgan, we put you in a room over here.
Thank you, Miss Grimshaw.
Mr. Bell, you're with the fellas over there.
What? How come Arthur gets a room and I get a bunk bed next to Bill Williamson and a bunch of darkies?
Get yourself to bed.
Bill Williamson and a bunch of darkies. Yep, he's a racist. Definitely save. Definitely hit that there saver button.
He ain't been seen in days. Weather ain't let up.
He's strong, and he's smart.
Strong, at least. Hello, Arthur.
Abigail?
Arthur, how you doing?
Just fine, Abigail. And you?
I need you to... I'm sorry to ask, but...
It's little John. He's got himself caught into a scrape again.
He ain't been seen in 2 days.
Your John will be fine. I mean, he may be as dumb as rocks and as dull as rusted iron, but that ain't changing because he got caught in some snowstorm.
Please go take a look. Javier?
That's right.
Yes. Javier, will you ride out with Arthur to take a look for John? You're the 2 best fit men we've got.
Now?
We're pretty worried about him.
I know. If the situation were reversed, he'd look for me.
Thank
That's
you.
right. Maybe.
This way.
Oh no,
Last I know,
he could leave you to die.
John was headed up the river.
For all we know, he kept riding north and never looked back.
He wouldn't leave. Not like that.
Wouldn't be the first time.
So, for those of you that don't know, Red Dead 2, I believe, is the, it is technically the sequel, or prequel, to Red Dead 1. I don't really remember, though.
Hey, I see some smoke. Come on, let's take a look.
Let's hope it ain't more of O'Driscoll's boys.
Well,
Just figured you'd like that bit of information for some of you
Seems
that haven't
somebody
actually, played the story.
recently. And... that way.
Sure, well, come on then.
Alright, let's
There's
go.
some
Let's go
tracks
hunt
leading
for
to the
him.
river. Adelante.
Alevante.
2 hours ago, most.
Let's cross. See, they continue up that way. Hey, stay on these tracks, come on.
Yeah, I'm coming.
You think it's John?
You tell me. These are horse tracks for sure, but could be anyone. Let's just see where they lead.
So, you were there, Javier. What really happened on that boat?
We had the money, it seemed fine. Then suddenly they were everywhere.
Bounty hunters?
No, Pinkertons. It was crazy. Raining bullets. Take it slow. Big ravine here. Dutch killed a girl and bad way. But it was a bad
Look at
situation.
that.
That ain't like him, though.
Tried, it might not be like him. But
Continue
sometimes
along
you
the
gotta
cliff wall
do what
here.
you gotta do.
Davey got shot. Mac and John, both shot too. Sean, we don't even know. I'm surprised we escaped at all. By the time you boys showed up from the other side of town, we were only just holding on.
Bad business, all right. Damn snow's coming in hard again.
We'll lose these tracks if we don't move fast.
I guess we better get to moving.
Careful, it's getting narrow here.
Oh, looks like it's getting it over here.
Come
Oh,
on.
it is.
Horses are struggling.
Yeah, a lot of fresh snow here.
I don't know about this, Javier. I mean, we can't follow nothing.
Let's push on a little bit. Maybe we'll pick up the trail again.
Almost there, boy. Come on now.
Hey, look! Over there! You see that?
No? Okay, now I
John
do.
was riding that horse when we left Blackwater. Let's see if he can hear us. Come on! Up there! He's coming from up ahead somewhere. I don't think we can go much further on the horses. We'll have to walk from here. I grabbed that shotgun from your horse. Who knows what's up ahead?
Really?
You getting that gun
And
then?
apparently I can't run in this snow. Oh.
Grab your shotgun. Come on. Down this way. Careful here.
You sure about this?
It's coming from this way.
Okay.
Me out of that, we're high up here.
You're telling me.
Drops down here. Watch yourself. Watch out here.
Gotcha, Javier.
Watch your head here. Okay, good now.
Watch your step. This is real slippery.
Stay close to the wall. Up this way. Gap here. That sounds closer now. Come on. We're coming, John?
Oh, hell, there was a gap. Climb it. You can climb this one.
Damn, it's cold.
Yes, it is.
How you doing?
I'm miserable. Been a tough few days.
I know. Here, take a drink of that.
Thanks.
I'm not designed for this snow.
Kentucky bourbon.
Let's keep moving then. Come on. John!
Marston, you hear me?
John, where are you?
Marston!
Over here! Down on the ledge! That's John! We're coming! Over here! He's down here. Hey!
Down?
Right. Hot down,
That sound like
Marston.
up.
That's quite a scratch you got there.
Never thought I'd say this, but it's good to see you, Arthur Morgan.
You don't look so good.
I don't feel too good neither. I'm freezing.
Don't die just yet, cowboy.
Come on, compadre.
Don't die just yet, cowboy.
Well, can't go back the way we came. Let's try this way.
Ain't you a sorry sight?
Can't argue with you there.
See? I told Dutch you weren't the right man for this.
I'm sure you did.
You all right?
I think so.
Come on. Hopefully this will lead us out. Look up there.
Uh-oh.
Perfect. You head for the horses. I'll keep John's friends off until you're clear.
All right, John, come on. Let's get you on that horse. We're getting you out of here. Arthur, distract them. Keep them off us. Bring them this way. Got them all. Good work, Arthur. Okay, let's get going before any more of these bastards show up.
Think this is my horse? I really do not remember.
Come on, then. Let's get back to the others.
I don't feel too good.
You'll be fine. It's just like a dog bite.
Knew a fella, got bit by a dog, died an hour later.
You ain't gonna die. Not yet. Up there? More of them! Get out of here! Shit, there's more on the right! More coming in on the left! Lárgate de aquí! Get the hell out of here! Get out! You see any more, Arthur?
I guess I could have ran over him with my horse. I never knew
You
that.
still with us, Marston?
Just about.
You're gonna be okay. We have some shelter now.
Thanks for coming for me.
Of course. That bullet in Blackwater, now this. You had a hell of a time.
And Arthur always says, I'm lucky.
None of us are lucky right now. We should ride in the water for a bit. Try to lose a scent. Don't want to leave a trail right back to camp.
You know, we're gonna need to come up with a better story for that scar.
So, freezing, bleeding, starving, damn near getting eaten to death ain't good enough for you.
Here, let's cross to the left.
Yeah, come on.
Nah.
Let's push hard and get back.
See those buildings up ahead, John? That's where we camped. Nearly there. Come on! Someone help John down off this horse.
Can we get some help here?
Hey, can we get some help here?
Can we get some help? We need some help here.
Come on, help him down.
You're alive! You're alive!
Here we go. There we go. Ay, careful, idiotas! It's his leg.
Come on, let's get you warm. Thank you both. This is a new low, even by your standards.
Thank you, Arthur. Thank you.
You got any other lost maidens need saving?
Not today.
Have you and Dutch talked about how we're gonna get out of this?
I was just discussing with Herr Strauss when the weather breaks. Suppose we'll have to keep heading east.
East? Into all that... That's civilization.
I know. The west is where our problems are worse. Come on, Herr Strauss. Let's get warm.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan.
Into all that civilization.
We have been running for weeks. We found shelter and been resting here in some old abandoned mining town while we wait the thaw. Hardly the spring I had been hoping for.
Hey. So what now, Dutch?
We get strong, we get warm, and we wait. When the storm breaks, we move. But we're safe here. Warm enough.
I guess.
You sound doubtful.
Not doubtful, just worried.
We're cold.
We have been shot at before, Hosea. I don't feel that this is honestly anything new.
I hope not.
We had a bit of bad
I'm
luck,
not alive
but then
anymore.
the storm covered our tracks, so now we wait a bit, and we go back.
Okay.
West.
But we're heading east.
For now. For now. We got this. We're safe. Stay strong, Hosea. What about you, Arthur? You doubting me too?
Never.
Good. Because you know me, son. I'm just getting started. Once we get some money, well, they better send some good men after us, because they ain't never gonna find us. But we need money.
Of course, Dutch.
That's right.
Thank you, son. For your strength. It means a lot to me.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, before I continue, I'm going to take me a small little break. I will be right back.